But maybe this is kind of a Jerry question of how do we alleviate that tension with our clients? How do we make sure that we're setting up the proper guardrails at a high level? And are there examples of, well, actually, yeah, if you set it and forget it, here's what happens, and here's the horror story, right?
I mean, we don't have any horror stories because everybody is a little bit conservative. I mean, nobody's jumping off the bridge and diving directly into the water. Everybody is experimenting. I mean, I've seen people experiment and they have run into some problems. So I've seen people who have experimented utilizing AI generated code generators to build out a solution, and then it goes to a certain extent, is able to do it suddenly one prompt and it wipes everything out. So you have to be really careful. I mean, they were successful up to a point. The thing that I would say is start small and build on top of it. The reason I say that is if you start small, it's very easy for the LLM to produce an output when you have specific, clear instructions. And as you build on top of it, make sure that you commit on frequent basis so that you don't lose the data. It's the same approach that we would take with a junior developer. I mean, any junior developer, when you give him some instructions, you don't give him the entire solution. You provide him a certain subset with clear instructions so that they can build something, and then you say, enhance this, add this feature, or add this feature. That approach works a lot better with LLMs rather than giving them a very, very high level requirement and just run with it. It can run with it in the wrong direction, and you'll be out of what you basically can mess up what you had started with. You have to be a little bit careful here and there. So as I said, no horror stories yet. So good thing to know that people are trying it out, and I have heard different mixed bag of results in terms of how they have used it, what roadblocks they have hit, and how they are approaching it.